You may find yourself needing a night guard. When you've lost yours, the dog chewed it, you threw it away, but you kept one of these bad boys. You may need one, but then you go to the dentist and they'll say, pay $150 to get a new one. For $100, you can get the machine to make it yourself, and that's what we're gonna do today with this bad boy.
Yeah.
Give you all the glory shots of it. It's a beautiful looking machine. There's your part of the mouth.
I am gonna first clean this.
Okay, because that's a new one?
Yeah, it's a new one.
All right, so this is a contraption. It is a teeth plastic modulator.
First, you put your splint between the wedge right here to chop it.
Okay.
To hold it still.
But maybe that's fine too.
Yep.
Okay. So what are you doing?
So right now, I'm opening up the package so we can get the beads. Cameron, can you explain what the beads do?
Yes. So the beads are like BBs. The BBs are used to sit there and just to look pretty. I assume they have no purpose at all. No, I'm kidding. The beads, I think they have a special purpose of just chillaxing here. So when this bad boy, watch me pour it. So the beads, we'll see their purpose a little more in a second, but you get, what is this called, your bite? Typically we do a mold because when people put their actual teeth on here, it gets really hard to figure out. Now, you'll want to turn the heat on. So see how we have this thing up? We need to have it up and locked. You're gonna be pretty strong for that.
Cool.
Okay, up and locked. And then this, we're gonna heat for about 3 minutes.
All right, it's on.
So you'll see the power. Doobity doo. A dooba 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 doobity doo. A dooba 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 doobity boop bop bop. A dooba 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 doobity doop bop bop. Dooba dooba doo doo boop boop dooba doop. 2 years later. I don't know if that smoke is supposed to be there. Yep, you see it dipping?
Yep. All right, you ready?
Do you just do it one time or do you have to do that?
When it stank, you got to open up window. All right, you pull it out. A little bit of beads on the bottom.
Yourself, buddy? Do you need a cutting board?
Yeah, probably. Oh no! I've done broke my tooth out. But it's okay, I have this. Oh no, my tooth!
Because I was like, oh, that is, in my mind, I thought it was true that you were a good counselor.
Okay, so Richard is now grabbing his, getting his all ready. These are all the things that he made. Now, the moment of truth. So you saw the difference between this guy, my old one, and then my new one, which is now on the floor. And you can see that I don't always wear my retainers because there's a little gap. Kind of cool. Cheese. All right, bro, tell me about it.
All right, so it's finished. It's perfect. Sending it down, and it fits perfectly in my teeth.
And remember, you don't have to buy the retainer. You just need to buy the contraption that makes the retainer.
Oh, whoa.